I will check YouTube and see what Warren has made.
I knew it. Warren uploaded the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney. Real, not fake. No. It is strongly fake. That movie was made by WGBH Boston and Cookie Jar, not Disney. That's it, Warren. I will call your dad. Hello, Alan Cook. Your son uploaded the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney.
Warren uploaded the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD by Disney. He is so grounded. Thanks for telling me that, Lenny Griffin fan 1994.
Yay. I finally uploaded the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney. Real, not fake. Uh-oh.
Warren Cook. I got a call from Lenny Griffin fan 1994. And he said that you uploaded the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney. Is this real?
Yes, it is, Dad.
Let me see. Warren Cook, that DVD opening was fake. Arthur's Missing Pal was made by WGBH Boston and Cookie Jar, not Disney. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded. And for this, I will now close your account.
No, 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 no. No.
Now I'm going to put your nappers on.
Ow. That hurts.
Now I am calling Lenny Griffin fan 1994 and his friends. Warren. Someone's here to see you.
I'm the Lenny Griffin fan 1994 and I hear what you put on YouTube.
I'm Caroline 0204 and the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney is fake.
I'm Caroline 0204's wife Kelly and Arthur's Missing Pal was made by WGBH Boston and Cookie Jar, not Disney.
And I'm Timmy Turner from The Fairly Odd Parents and you will become a non-teenager.
No.
I'm sorry for making the opening to Arthur's Missing Pal 2007 DVD from Disney.
You will be a non-teenager, eat baby food and do stuff not made by Disney.
That's right. You will watch baby shows like Barney, Dora, Arthur, Sesame Street, Dragon Tales, It's a Big Big World, Sid the Science Kid, Super White, Zabooma Foot, Tuts TV, Sagwa and several baby shows not made by Disney.
And listen to music like Justin Bieber, Rebecca Black, Kids Bop, One Direction and several musics not made by Disney.
And watch primetime shows like Nature, Nova, Simply Mang, Family Guy, The Simpsons, American Dad and several primetime shows not made by Disney.
And play video games like Sonic, Mario, Donkey Kong Country, Mega Man, Super Monkey Ball, Puyo and several video games not made by Disney.
Now it's time for Angry Rampage Faces Warren.
No, 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 no.
Warren, come with me. We're going to the airport.
Dad, where am I going?
You're going to Egypt for your punishment. If you escape from Egypt, you'll be grounded for double tranquility. Understand?
Can I help you?
Yes. I like one flight ticket for my son to Egypt.
Flight 15. The gate will be boarded at 7:10 p.m.
Flight 14. The gate to Egypt is open.
This is going to be a torture. Why did I get sent to Egypt?
Vkamata Kaira, YTT. Hadhitezan is for protecting Safety life. Hraisna parking.
Ах на. Нафлам спакинг гептин. Хавкаут хизгатани варсенав.